Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix exporting problem in CapCut. If CapCut is giving you trouble when you try to export a video, one common cause can be a performance setting related to hardware encoding. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the exact process to adjust that setting so you can try exporting again more smoothly. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Make sure the application is fully loaded before moving on, so all menus and options are available. If CapCut was already open and acting slow or stuck, it can help to wait a moment for the interface to respond properly before continuing. Once CapCut is open, go ahead and open a sample project. This lets you test the export issue inside a project environment, which is useful when checking whether the problem is being caused by the app's current settings. If you already have a project where exporting is failing, you can use that as well. But for this guide, simply opening a sample project is enough to reach the settings we need. After the project is on screen, look to the top left corner of the CapCut window and click on the menu. This is where CapCut groups several app-level options, including the settings that affect playback and exporting performance. Take your time here and make sure the menu fully opens before selecting the next option. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings panel for the app. These settings control how CapCut behaves overall, not just for the project you currently have open, so the change you make here can directly affect export stability. Inside Settings, click on Performance. The Performance section includes options tied to how CapCut uses your system resources. If exporting problems are related to compatibility between the app and your hardware, this is usually the area where the fix can be found. Now find the option labeled Speeding Up Hardware Encoding and uncheck it. Disabling this setting tells CapCut not to rely on hardware encoding during export, which can help if your device, driver, or current configuration is causing export failures, freezing, or errors. After unchecking it, you can close the settings and try exporting your project again. If the issue was caused by hardware encoding, this adjustment may allow the export to complete successfully. That's it for this guide on how to fix exporting problem in CapCut.